So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy silver here on RBC Direct Investing. So once the app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom, press on the yellow circle, and then press on place order. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to go to the top and press on name or symbol. Now, you can't actually buy shares of silver directly, so instead you have to invest into a silver ETF. So an example of this, in case you guys are curious, would be ticker symbol SVR. Which is right here. So go ahead and select SVR right here. Once that is selected, as you can tell, this is the iShares Silver Bullion ETF. And once that is done, select the account that you want to buy silver inside of. So once your account is selected, where it says action right here, you would obviously go ahead and select buy. Once the action is selected, you can edit the order type by just pressing on the order type right here. You can go market, limit, or stop limit. Then at the bottom where it says quantity, you can type in the amount of the ETF that you want to buy. It'll then show you the estimated value, in this case in Canadian dollars. And if all looks good, you want to proceed. You guys can go to the bottom, press continue, and then proceed this way with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy silver on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.